Hello learners, welcome to Ahmad Coaching and I'm your teacher Dr. Anam. Today we are going to study about difference between tendons and ligaments. Tendons and ligaments, they both are connective tissues. I have already made the video on connective tissues, but shortly the connective tissues are actually the tissues that connect different things in the body. In case of tendons, these connective tissues, they are going to attach muscles to the bone, or in other words, they are going to connect muscles with the bones. Here in this diagram you can see that this is a bone and this is a muscle. This muscle is going to be attached with this bone by the help of this tendon, which is actually a connective tissue. While in case of ligaments, the connective tissue is going to attach bone to the bone, or in other word, they are going to connect a bone with another bone. So here you can see that this is one bone and this is another bone, and this is a joint here, the joint where the two bones, they are going to attach with itself. Here you can see that this part of bone is attached with this part of the bone by the help of this connective tissue, and this connective tissue is known as ligament. Ligaments, they are going to connect or attach a bone with another bone, while the tendons, they are going to attach a muscle with the bone. The second difference between tendon and ligament is that tendons, they are non-elastic and they are very tough. They are non-elastic, it means that they don't have the elasticity or they cannot stretch. It means that whatever the length of the tendon is, it will remain as such, and it is very tough, and this is very beneficial when you are moving your muscles. The tendons, they are going to help in the movement of the muscles, but they will itself not move, and in this way any injury or any weight, if you are going to lift, the tendons, they are going to help in the proper attachment of the muscles with the bones. If the tendons, they are not tough or they are elastic in case, now what will happen when the muscles, they are going to relax or contract, the tendon will itself increase or decrease, and this can cause problem in the muscle movement. While in case of ligaments, the ligaments, they are elastic while they are strong. The elasticity is needed because at the joints, the bones, they needed to move, and if the elastic is there, the bones, they can easily move. If the ligament is tough, it means that your bones at the joints, they cannot move. So to help in the movement of the bones at the joint, the ligaments, they are going to be elastic, but they are strong. The strong because they are not going to let the bones detached from each other. Another difference is that each muscle will contain one tendon. Here we can see that there is one muscle, and this one muscle is attached with this bone by the help of one tendon only. But in case of ligaments, each joint, it will contain many ligaments so that the joints, they can be intact. Here we can see that these are the two bones, and this one, at this one joint, we can see this one, this is one ligament, and here we can see this one, this is another ligament. So depending on their requirement, each joint, they may contain many ligaments. The color of the tendon is white, we can see here, while the ligaments, they are yellow in color. In case of tendons, the fibers which are present in the tissues, they are present in parallel bundles. It means that they are present like this. So the parallel fibers, they are going to form the bundles, and this bundle, they are present here. In case of ligaments, the fibers, they are not present in parallel bundles. It means that this situation is not present in the ligaments. In case of tendons, there is no classification. While in case of ligaments, there are three different types, which are known as articular ligaments, remnant ligaments, and peritoneal ligaments. So the last difference is that tendons, they contain less proteoglycan content. The proteoglycan actually an organic compound which is made up of protein and sugar molecules. So in case of tendons, less proteoglycans, they are present, while in case of ligaments, more proteoglycans are present. So these are the difference between tendons and ligaments. If you have any more question related to this topic, you can ask me in the comment section. If this video was beneficial to you, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Also share this video with your friends. I will see you in the next video.